Are you a man of 40 seconds? Are you a man that doesn't last long? Whatever the case may be, today's video, that is what I am going to tell you how to stop it. Be a virgin. No more 1 minute. But before I proceed, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone watching me, depending from where you're watching me from. And my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos of men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men or other related stuffs, you are on the right channel. Do well by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video. Thank you to all my subscribers. I will never stop appreciating each and every one of you out there for supporting this channel and for being part of this channel. May God bless you beyond human imagination. So let's proceed. Today's video is all about to be a virgin. No more 1 minute, no more 45 seconds, or no more 30 seconds. The best remedy to cure quick ejaculation, because this is like a quick ejaculation. When a man can last up to 45 minutes, few seconds you ejaculate, it is not the right thing. So that is what I am going to share with you people on how to stop it. You will be a man of 45 minutes, no more 1 minute. I want to tell you people one important thing. Any video that I publish on this channel works, but you have to bear in mind that body systems are not the same. If you never get results, keep doing it. In no distant time, you will get results. So anything that I publish here is tested and trusted. It works. And before I start this channel, many people around has testified over all this. So I can share things that doesn't work here. I know many things, but I am giving you people the ones I know that works. So anything that I'm giving you today or on this channel works. But even if it did not work for you, look for another one that will work for you. But anything on this channel work. So let's proceed. Today's video is be a virgin. No more 1 minute. How are you going to achieve this? It is very simple. All you need is 2 ingredients to consume on daily basis. Maybe you are a man that doesn't last long. Quick ejaculation. For you to be a virgin, for you to be the best you want, or the best any woman will dream of, you only need 2 ingredients to consume on daily basis. You will keep consuming it till you get results. You will keep intake of it till you get efficient result or maximum result. So what are these 2 ingredients? The 2 ingredients are very simple. They are found everywhere. They are everywhere in the world. Just go to the market and seek or ask for it. You will get it. Consume it on daily basis. As far as you experience 1 minute during intervals, consume this for many times daily for 2, 3, 4 weeks. You will get results. What are these two ingredients? The two ingredients are, number one, this is tiger nut. Tiger nut. You consume it alongside or along with groundnuts. Very, very important. These are the two ingredients that you need. It solves these problems, but most people don't know. It solves quick ejaculation problems, but many don't know. Taking these two ingredients will solve this problem, I assure you. Do you know that solutions to our problem are around us, but many people don't know? And what will be a solution to our problem might be simple thing, but we do go for higher thing, thinking that that is where our solution is. So these two simple ingredients are what you need. If you can consume them on daily basis, like 2, 3, 4 weeks, you are good to go. That your 1 minute will stop and you will be like a virgin, because a virgin is someone who is pure, who can do everything perfectly due to strength is there. Everything is there. So once you can consume these two fruits on daily basis for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, you must get efficient and maximum results. And that 1 minute will be terminated. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you get value from this video. If you like this video, do well by subscribing, like this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. Please comment on this video, let me know what you think. Put down your questions and what you want on this video. I promise that I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Thanks.